Hello everyone. This video is especially for little kids, to learn how to add numbers. We can add one-digit numbers, two-digit numbers, or more than two-digit number. Today we will learn how to add one-digit numbers easily. This class is going to be very interesting for you. Let's start with simple example. Adding numbers 2 and 3. To add these numbers, draw 2 lines for 2 and 3 lines for number 3. After drawing these lines, count all these lines. We get an answer of 5. Now try this simple example. We take an example of adding 3 and 6. 2. Add these numbers. We simply apply this same method. We draw 3 lines for 3, and 6 lines for 6. Now count all these lines. And the right answer we get is 9. So, we can add any one-digit number by drawing lines and counting them. We can try this method with more examples. Next example for practice is adding number 5 and 7. We'll using same method. We draw 5 lines for 5 and 7 lines for 7. After drawing lines, count all these lines and get your answer, which is 12. Now try this another example of adding numbers 7 and 9. Apply the same method to add these numbers. Draw 7 lines for 7 and 9 lines for 9. And count all these lines. By counting all these lines we get its answer. And the right answer, which we get by adding them, is 16. So when we add 7 and 9 we get its answer as 16. This was also quite simply an easy example. We can try more examples like this. For practice more, we are giving here more examples. Try to attempt these examples from your little kids. First example is adding 9 and 5. Second example is adding 7 and 4. Use the same method to add these numbers. Draw lines for each number and simply count them. Third example is adding number 8 and number 5. And the last example which are going to take is adding numbers 6 and 4. So apply the same method to add all these numbers. Draw lines for every number and simply count them to get your answer. Keep watching this YouTube channel Study on Hype. And do like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.